System rinse is required to safely change from one chemical to another, reducing the risk of improper application. The RoGator C Series was designed with this in mind, and its new plumbing system makes the process even easier and more effective. This new system provides a more thorough rinse due to a reduction in T-fittings, additional sweeping 90-degree elbows, and the elimination of dead ends on pipes. For greater peace of mind, air cleanout can be used to remove product from the boom at any time during rinse. 3 different procedures can be initiated on the RoGator C Series. Start by selecting Rinse from the menu and then Rinse Product Tank. This will properly orient the electric valve on the pump vent to effectively clean the tank. At this point, all manual system valves should be adjusted, including closing the bypass, setting the 3-way valve to rinse from its normal operation position, and opening the fresh water valve connected to the rinse tank. This sends fresh water inside the tank, where crosscuts fan the water out, allowing it to shower down the sidewalls for a more effective rinse. This rinse should run for approximately 1/3 of the volume of the rinse tank. Next, open the sump valve. Close the freshwater rinse valve. Open the bypass. Open the agitation valve. And move the 3-way valve to the eductor if the machine has one. After the tank rinse is complete, simply cancel it on the keypad or proceed to the next step. When the recirculation plumbing rinse is started, electric valves will adjust automatically. The agitation valve closes. The main shutoff valve opens. The recirculation valve opens. The product recovery manifold valve and the product recovery sump valve open. Manual valves can then be adjusted. The 3-way valve should be in the spray position. The bypass is closed, and the sump is opened. Start the pump to send rinsate through the booms and recirculation lines, pushing the contaminated product into the bottom of the tank, ready for proper disposal or reapplication at a lower rate. Once the plumbing rinse is complete, it can be canceled on the keypad. The third rinse option can be used as a quick rinse. Select Boom Rinse to Ground to clear any chemical residue while leaving the product in the tank. This prevents chemical from settling in the nozzles or creating hot spots in the plumbing. Once selected, the electric valves will set themselves to the open position. The pump vent, the tank sump, the agitation valve, the main shutoff valve, the boom feed control valve, and the product recovery manifold valve. Manual valves can then be set to the proper location. The 3-way valve is set to spray. The bypass is closed, and the freshwater valve is opened. Now the rinse water can be sprayed out of the booms to flush the system. And since the product tank is not rinsed, the remaining product can be applied at a later time after re-agitation. As with the other rinse procedures, just cancel the boom rinse once it's complete. These 3 options provide an effective, thorough rinse of the product tank and the recirculation plumbing. Once again, innovative design sets the RoGator C Series apart. From the inside out, it's serious machinery for serious results.